the mindset, the mindset, the mindset, the mindset is a time. Now is the time. The mindset.
I was born to be flexible. I was born to be bold. I was born to both be smart. I was created for something greater. The time is now for the time I internationally, global, to make sure that where I am is always sparkling. My surroundings I take it upon myself. I choose that I will make it. I am responsible for my success. I was born for freedom, financial freedom, life and living freedom. I am blessed. I choose to take action on the positive things. I choose and am willing to communicate efficiently. I will create partnerships that take both parties forward. I believe, I trust, I am choosing a path, a better path, a better life, for better living. I will learn what I need to learn. I will learn what is important. I will learn to focus on things that are significant, things that are crucial for my success. The time is now for the time is now for life. I internationally, globally, worldwide, I choose positivity. I choose only the better things. I choose only going forward and sharing the good that I come across. I choose to take action right now because the time is now. My mindset is set on better things, which ultimately should become best for myself. I choose peace. I choose greatness. I choose to create milestones, to leave milestones behind for generations to come. Milestones that can only produce better living for all. You As for my local setup, as for my soil where I am, I shall make sure that I take action. I shall make sure that I have the drive and the passion of where I am. My surroundings, the people I live around, things will improve for better living. Things will improve for nature itself. Things will improve upon us all, for us all. It is my accountability to make sure that where I am is always sparkling with passion, sparkling with the drive necessary to take action on positivity. I shall encourage not giving up. As myself, I choose not to quit. I shall not throw in the towel. I shall not throw in the towel. I was born for better things. I was born for making a difference. I was born for paying it forward. Yes, I was born to share. I was born to share locally, globally, worldwide, internationally. I was born to be flexible. I was born to be bold. I was born to both be smart and hard working. For I was created for something greater. Give me Jesus, give me Jesus.